That's so funny. Yeah. And we've got this, right? So what we're doing here is we've got this. So this was cut right by the scalp, right? And we're going to just use this first 1.5 inches or so. So we're going to cut everything else. And we're using about that, right?
You check all this stuff out here, that ain't gonna tell you.
Yeah, that's
Right.
older.
This is older hair. This was you where you were 6 months ago or so. And so, yeah, we'll just keep going through and doing that. Yeah, so whenever guys, this is a common question that comes up. So for men, if you know, for ladies, it's very easy to cover. You know, you've got long hair, so you're never going to see any of this. This is going to be, you know, your hair's down and everything. So, but for guys, you can wait until you get your hair cut, and you can put that in an envelope. That's really, really easy. If your hair is only, you know, 1.5 inches long anyway, then you're cutting it, then you're getting really recent data. So that's awesome. And of course, you can do underarm, you can do pubic as well. So men and women, you know, whatever works for you there. But the key is, you know, it's still so much easier than getting your blood drawn, which so many people are afraid of needles, whether they want to admit it or not. They're just going to be afraid of needles and go to their doctor a lot less often, check their levels less often, and really have their health drop off so much earlier in life than what you could see, where, you know, you're testing regularly, you're making changes as needed. That's really the path toward health. And then another question about results, right? So the test, if you're in the US, it ships to you within 5 business days, unless there's some, you know, out of the box hang up with USPS, which we can't control. And then once you actually take your sample, like Katie and Michaela are doing today, that goes in the mail today. Then as long as you do that, then you should have your results back to you from that point. So it is dependent on you. So another 3 to 5 days to get to our lab. That's going to process, and you'll get your results. The lab only needs about 2 days to process typically. And then you get your results via email within another day. So, you know, really quick turnaround time. And, you know, if you're international, obviously you're gonna have to wait to ship back to our lab. But the quick thing is that you are getting your results electronically through you know, a PDF. So that's really good. And then once you have those results, there's usually a link in your email if you purchase the consultation as well, to work with one of our nutritionists to really understand this test. So then you go ahead and book that, and hey, you're on the path toward really upgrading your health. So one of the questions that comes up pretty often too is, how much hair do I need? Really, it's best, and this allows our lab to test everything twice to ensure accuracy, which is amazing. And then you know, really, you know, err on the side of more whenever possible. But we want at least 1 to 2 tablespoons. 1 to 2 tablespoons is what we want. So with that, you're looking at, you know, a spoon similar to this. So we're getting this, we're filling that spoon with hair 1 to 2 times. So that right there gives us plenty of data to pull from multiple times, and that ensures really accurate results. If you have long enough hair, you're able to, you know, go from the nape of the neck and really, you know, cover it, hide it. You'll never see it. Take it from multiple spots. That's the other tip. But, you know, the thing you really want to prevent against is getting a message back from our lab saying, hey, we didn't have enough hair to accurately test this, so we don't feel comfortable processing the results. So what do? You put in a little more. So that's, we've got plenty of hair here. This is, you know, we're getting a tablespoon that's, you know, nice and full of very dense hair. And, you know, if you wanted to err on the side of caution, you could do 2 of these. So this is great, and with that we'll get this off to the lab and we'll get the results really quickly. What we see too is If you're buying this in the US, then you'll get a return mailer. If you're buying this outside the US, logistically, we can't provide that. So you'll put your return mailer on this envelope, and everything will go in this envelope. So we will have our HTMA submittal form, which is really important, really simple, really easy to fill out. That will go inside this. So you've taken your hair sample and it's time to return it, right? So this is your return mailer. This is a poly bag. If you're in the US, you will have a return mailer. If you're outside the US, we're not able to logistically provide that for you, but you'll just put that on there. And you'll have two things that go in this test. So before you get there, you want to go over here and you'll see something that says activate your test. Go to upgradeformulas.com/activate. You'll activate your test. You follow these instructions here as far as how to take it, but we just talked about that in video, so you're lucky there. And you'll fill out this form. Really easy, really simple. That goes in here, so we know who you are and some information, so we can talk to you about that in the consultation. But just in general, so we know we have an identifier for your form, for your hair. Your hair sample will obviously go in this nice little collection envelope. Both of these will go in the poly bag, and this is all you need to return to us, to our lab.